Hello everyone, my name is Obulesh, and I'm thrilled to share my thoughts on a phrase that resonates with many of us, the double delight days. As you watch this video, I hope it brings a smile to your face and a spark of inspiration for your weekend. If you enjoy what you read, please feel free to share, like and comment. Let's spread the delight together, the pleasure of the weekend. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, the weekend often feels like a breath of fresh air, a time to unwind, rejuvenate, and savor the moments we sometimes miss during the work week. But what if we reimagined the weekend as not just a break, but as 2 days of pure delight? This is where the concept of the double delight days comes into play. The phrase "the double delight days" encapsulates the essence of Saturday and Sunday as a pair of days that offer the perfect blend of joy, relaxation, and opportunity. It's about embracing these 2 days as a special time to nourish our minds, bodies, and souls. Whether you're an executive, an entrepreneur, or a professional striving to make your mark, these days are your opportunity to reset and refuel. Why the weekend matters. Before we dive into how to make the most of these days, let's consider why they're so important. The weekend isn't just about taking a break from work, it's about creating space for personal growth, relationships, and self-care. For many of us, the weekend is the only time we truly have to ourselves, free from the demands of our professional lives. Think of Saturday and Sunday as the bookends of your week. They're the time when you can close one chapter and prepare to start another with renewed energy and enthusiasm. When we view the weekend through the lens of the double delight days, we begin to see it as a sacred space for balance and fulfillment. Saturday, the day of action and adventure. Saturday is often seen as the more active of the 2 days, a time for adventure, exploration, and doing the things that bring you joy. Whether it's pursuing a hobby, spending time with loved ones, or simply enjoying the outdoors, Saturday is your day to seize the moment. Imagine waking up on a Saturday morning with a sense of excitement, knowing that the day is yours to design. Maybe it's a hike in the mountains, a visit to a new art gallery, or even just a leisurely brunch with friends. The key is to approach the day with intention, choosing activities that invigorate your spirit and bring you happiness. Saturday is also a great day to tackle those personal projects you've been putting off. Whether it's starting a new book, organizing your space, or finally learning that skill you've been curious about, Saturday offers the perfect opportunity to take action. Remember, the goal is not to overwhelm yourself, but to engage in activities that leave you feeling accomplished and fulfilled. Sunday, the day of rest and reflection. If Saturday is the day of action, then Sunday is the day of rest, a time to slow down, reflect, and prepare for the week ahead. Sunday is your chance to recharge your batteries, both physically and mentally, so that you can start the new week with clarity and purpose. One of the best ways to make the most of Sunday is by creating a routine that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. This could be as simple as enjoying a quiet cup of coffee in the morning, reading a book, or practicing meditation. The idea is to create moments of peace that allow you to reconnect with yourself and your goals. Sunday is also an excellent time for reflection. Take a few moments to look back on the past week and consider what went well and what could have been better. Use this time to set intentions for the coming week, focusing on the areas of your life that you want to nurture and grow. By taking this time to reflect, you'll find that you're better equipped to face the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. The power of balance. One of the most important aspects of the double delight days is the balance between action and rest. Too often, we fall into the trap of overscheduling our weekends, leaving us more exhausted than before. On the other hand, if we spend the entire weekend in a state of rest, we might miss out on the joy of new experiences. The key is to strike a balance that works for you. Maybe Saturday is your day for adventure, and Sunday is your day for relaxation, or perhaps you prefer a mix of both on each day. The beauty of the double delight days is that there's no right or wrong way to spend them. It's about finding what brings you the most delight and leaning into that. Creating your double delight weekend. So how can you create your own double delight days? Here are a few tips to help you get started. Plan ahead. While spontaneity is important, Having a loose plan for your weekend can help you make the most of your time. Consider what activities or experiences will bring you joy and relaxation, and make space for them in your weekend. Prioritize self-care. Whether it's physical, emotional, or mental, self-care should be a priority during the weekend. This might mean getting extra sleep, indulging in a favorite hobby, or spending time with loved ones. Disconnect to reconnect. Consider taking a break from technology, even if it's just for a few hours. Disconnecting from work emails and social media can help you reconnect with yourself and those around you. Practice gratitude. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. This simple practice can enhance your sense of well-being and make your weekend even more enjoyable. Be present. Finally, make an effort to be fully present in whatever you're doing. Whether you're out on an adventure or simply relaxing at home, being mindful of the moment will help you appreciate the beauty of your double delight days. The ripple effect. When we fully embrace the concept of the double delight days, we not only enrich our own lives, but also create a positive ripple effect for those around us. By showing up on Monday feeling refreshed, inspired, and ready to tackle the week, we set the tone for those we interact with, both personally and professionally. Imagine a workplace where everyone comes in on Monday morning with a smile, eager to share their weekend experiences and ready to contribute their best. The energy is contagious, and it starts with how we choose to spend our weekends. Conclusion: embrace the delight. As we wrap up, I encourage you to think about how you can make the most of your double delight days. Whether it's through adventure, relaxation, or a mix of both, these 2 days are your opportunity to create memories, nurture yourself, and prepare for the week ahead. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it inspires you to approach your weekends with a sense of joy and purpose. If you found this helpful, please do share it with your network, leave a like, or drop a comment below. Let's continue the conversation and spread the delight of these 2 precious days. Enjoy your weekend. I wish you your Saturday and Sunday give you a true double delight. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment.